And now, penile enlargement. Let's talk about how to increase the size of your penis. Yes, we're talking about increasing the length and the thickness, the girth. But before then, two things. First, most men who worry about their penis size actually have normal-sized penises. They are just pressured by the society and their minds playing tricks on them. Number two, most of the enlargement methods out there are either false, exaggerated, temporary, or even harmful. So be very careful. Today, I will give you 7 methods people use to enlarge their penises. And at the end, I'll give you my own personal recommendation. Number 1, jelqing exercises. This is also called milking. It involves rolling motion, right? Sort of milking to the head. And the goal is to move blood to the head and also stretching it. So even though this milking exercise, the jelqing exercise, is generally considered safe and easy to do, you have to be careful because it may lead to pain or to some form of damage if done too frequently or too aggressively. Number 2, pills and creams. There are many pills, vitamins, hormones, herbal preparations, and lotions that are used for penile enlargement. They often claim to contain hormones, HCG, testosterone, FSH, vasodilators to increase blood flow down there, or oils that are meant to cause growth of the muscles and the tissues. Some of them might contain pharmaceutical drugs like tadalafil and sildenafil, Cialis, and Viagra. Some of these might be harmful, so be careful. Number 3, penile extenders, devices that are used to stretch. They are also called stretchers, extenders, or traction devices. They might be cumbersome and uncomfortable for a lot of men. Some researches actually show some increase in the length, but as you would have already imagined, there are risks involved in using extenders and stretchers, damage to your tissues if not used properly. So be very careful. Next, vacuum pumps or penis pumps. These are used to cause pressure and to suck blood into the penis, to draw it into it and make it to swell. They are sometimes used to cure erectile dysfunction. A lot of persons say the growth and the increase in size here is usually temporary. You know, you are causing pressure here, negative pressure, and so overusing pumps might actually affect your tissues and cause damage and other complications. So be careful. Next, clamps and rings. These are devices that will wrap around, providing squeezing pressure. They are usually placed at the base to prevent blood from flowing out of the penis, keeping it there. This can help you sustain an erection, and it also helps with penile enlargement, even though temporarily. But be careful not to put it more than 30 minutes because you might completely cut off blood supply, and that is very dangerous. Number 6, fillers. These are injectable fillers that you inject into the skin of the penis. The main aim is to increase the thickness, the girth. So soft tissue fillers like hyaluronic acid are injected under the skin of the penile shaft. Repeated treatment and injection is needed because the increase in the thickness and girth is usually temporary. The problem here is risk of nerve damage, scarring, injury, and even infection. So be very careful. Number 7, surgery. And personally, I don't recommend this because it is very risky and very expensive and could have complications that will cause permanent damage. And some of those surgeries that include cutting off the suspensory ligament that holds the penis up so that it just comes out. Sometimes fat is taken from other parts of the body and injected there to increase thickness. And sometimes tissues from other parts of the body is taken to graft and implant there. And here comes my own personal recommendation. Make the most of what you already have. And again, as we said, most of you already have normal size penises, but try to lose some weight, especially around your waistline and your groin. This will increase the size apparently. So burn some fat. Try intermittent fasting. Lift some weights. Also try trimming your pubic hair. This will also increase the apparent length, making it appear larger. The funny part is most men think that having larger penises will increase their ability to satisfy a woman. No, it's not so. Concentrate on improving your sex skills and improve your lifestyle and communicate more with your partner. Trying to understand what your partner likes. You'll be shocked. The size of your penis has little significance in your overall sexual performance and sexual satisfaction. And click here to watch a playlist I've curated for you. Tells you everything about men's sexual health, supplements, erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low libido, and boosting your testosterone. Click here, stay strong, take charge of your health and happiness, and I'll see you on the next one.